Improving oneself is a lifelong journey. Here are a few suggestions that you can apply to improve yourself at a great level. 1. Set clear goals. Define what do you want to achieve and create specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time-bounded, SMART, goals. This will give you direction and motivation. 2. Continuous learning. Develop a thirst for knowledge and seek opportunities to learn and grow. Read book, take online courses, attend workshops and engage in activities that expand your knowledge and skills. 3. Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your strengths, weakness, values and beliefs. Understand yourself better and identify areas where you want to improve. Regular self-reflection that promotes self-growth. 4. Develop new habits. Cultivate positive habits that align with your goals. Start small and on one habit at a time. Consistency is key to making adorable changes.